Yeah, they're a bit eccentric, but when you're born us, you don't exactly win many popularity contests. Do I wish people didn't see us as monsters?
8 legs, 8 times the cardio.
Sure I do.
What's up, Papa?
But these are the cards we've been dealt, so we might as well play them.
Jackpot!
Seriously?
What the thorax?
Are you crazy?
What? I just wanted a longer car chase. It's the best part.
Chief! It's them.
Webbs, hit it.
Get them!
Au revoir. Let's hit it.
Buckle up, boys! Hip-hop phonics! Yeah, it works for me, so jump aboard! Yeah, the strain is free, the conductor! Then the tune, my whistle, the instructor! Of the funky Uncle Pencil, we be dancing on the rake when it ain't falls off, but we be walking the world! While you singing your rope, so if you stepping in close, you be eating some tea! So please step back!
I'm gonna put you guys away for so long, your fleas will have fleas!
You want some cake? You seem a little hangry.
Get that thing out of my face before
Excuse me, Chief.
What?
You better watch the road.
You're mine.
Hermano! Yeah, we may be bad, but we're so good at it.
No, 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 no! Keep running, Wolf! One of these days your luck is gonna run out!
Ha! She never catch us.